And I'm going to tell you, of all the retirees I know, when they make the leap, they really don't regret it. Why do you want to retire? That's a question I've asked literally thousands of people, and the answers always revolve around freedom. Freedom from the control of a work life and a career, time freedom to pursue their own interests, and create a life on their own terms. I was thinking of that, and I was thinking about you as I'm hanging out here in Concord, Massachusetts at North Bridge, where the shot heard round the world occurred and the Revolutionary War started. You're like a colonist, right? They wanted freedom from England and the control. They wanted to pursue their own interests and create a life and a government on their own terms. And for them, this percolated for a long time. It didn't just happen all at once, getting to this moment. And they weren't sure whether they were going to be successful. They weren't sure how they were going to pay for it. And they weren't sure exactly what kind of government they were going to create. They just knew they wanted freedom. They were ready for it. And when you're ready for freedom, it's likely you're not sure exactly what that's going to look like and exactly how you're going to pay for it. That's sort of part of the deal. But I want to encourage you to trust yourself. Many have walked before you and done this successfully. There are plenty of guides and information and wisdom to help inform your journey. And I'm going to tell you, of all the retirees I know, when they make the leap, they really don't regret it. Here's to freedom.